Which do you think is drier? Your hair or this biscuit? Oh, this dry. Did you know that you could sunburn your hair? Well, I'll put it like this. When you go on vacation, when you're outside cutting the grass, when you are outside, period, do you have something on your hair to protect it from the sun? If you don't, your hair can in turn be drier than this biscuit. So, for all my naturals out there who think because you're natural, your hair can't get damaged because you're not putting heat on it, the hair can be damaged by the sun. The sun counts as heat, and your hair can be so dry. And technically the word isn't sunburn, and your hair won't get sunburned like your skin, but you can get heat damage from the sun. So when you go on vacation, if we ever go back on vacation, make sure you are hydrating your hair with at least some type of leave-in conditioner. Now this is my favorite. You already know. My L. If you don't want your hair to feel like this biscuit, make sure that your hair is nice and wet, and then you add some leave-in conditioner to it. And honestly, I would say more than once a day if you're going to be in the sun all day. Go in. I would take a little spray bottle, put some in there, spray a little bit, and then follow it up with the leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I am so sorry. This biscuit is legit dry. But honestly, you guys, all jokes aside, take a little water, spray your hair with it, take a little bit of the leave-in conditioner and apply it generously through your hair, just to make sure, the same way you put lotion on your skin, make sure you're keeping your hair hydrated. Now, quick trick. If you want to, and I do this sometimes with some of my clients, or even with myself, you can take some of the leave-in conditioner and you can put about 10% in the water bottle and then fill the rest up with water. Shake that up and use that to hydrate your hair and spray it in your hair throughout the day, especially if you know you're going to be outside for long periods of time, especially going into this summer. And I know we're tired of being in the house, so this is definitely something that you want to do. And maybe keep it in your bag, keep it in your car, and just spray it in your hair throughout the day. Honestly, people don't think about this, but even when you're driving in your car, you have the window down, or just having that sun beaming down on your hair, just make sure that you keep it hydrated. The sun can definitely damage your hair. All right, take care of yourself and take care of your hair. And don't forget what I said. Hop on the website or go to Target, Walmart, Sally's has it, and pick up a bottle of the leave-in conditioner.